With beautiful sounds and easy chords, we can play piano right now. Let's do it. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. If you enjoy the content, then a thumbs up is always the best compliment. Well, today we have 4 must-know piano chords that are just beautiful chords that can make our playing sound amazing. So over here to a G pattern, with our thumb on G in the right hand, we can just pop a G in our bass as well. Let's add a suspended 2 chord above our G there. Translation is that all that we do is we play our G, B and D, and instead of playing B, we're going to change our middle finger to our second finger. So if it's a suspended 2 or a suspended second, then add your 2 finger instead. It could resolve to the B if we wanted, but today we're just going to keep it at the suspended 2 and leave it hanging there. Now to add a bit of rhythm to that, let's now do a 3-note pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, and then hold it on. So we're going to play the rhythm like this. Hold. For our second beautiful chord, we can play an E minor 7 plus 4 chord. So once again, we have a translation, and all that we do is drop our bass note to an E, keep these same ones over the top, and that's all there is to it. Let's do the same rhythm again. 1, 2, 3, and 4 times, and holding on to that D note there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's our little pulses there that match the beat. Our third chord then takes us to a C6, so our E bass will drop down to a C chord. Our right hand, instead of playing a D at the top, that's still a beautiful chord there. Oh, that's actually lovely that's a C6 and a 9 over the top. But I had thought we'd go step our pinky up to our E, which then suggests a C6 chord. And the rhythm, hold it on. Our final chord is a D suspended 4th, which might resolve to the 3rd, but the translation of that is that we're going to step our C note up to a D in the bass, right hand back to our 3 first notes, G, A and D, and we'll do our little rhythmic pattern there. 1, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times, hold. And then after we hold, if we want to resolve our 4th of the scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that would be the chord there. We're going to resolve that one to an F sharp, if you want to throw that in there. If you want to leave it hanging, that's fine as well. Beautiful. Okay, so let's put it all together now into an improv. We've got an easy improv series, so if you want to check out any more of those, then I'll pop a link at the end. But let's mix them all about. Let's mix our seconds, our sixths, our suspended patterns there, and you can also mix up the rhythm too if you want to. Enjoy! Or have a go at mixing it all around. Change some rhythms as well if you like. Have a play with some octaves and enjoy those 4 amazing chords.